Okay, today we're going to talk about the area of parallelograms. So the formula for area of parallelograms is the same as our area of a rectangle. So we have our height, our base times height, and our width, our length times our width. So again, these formulas are the same thing. They're just using different words. So base times height is the same as length times width. And the reason that they're the same formula as our rectangle is because of this picture over here. So if we look at our parallelogram here, and we have the right angle snip or cut right through here for our parallelogram, we can cut right through here, and then this blue part can be glued down here just like this on the other side, which then makes a rectangle. So the reason that this height is here and not over here is because our height has to be 90 degrees from the base. So this would be the height of our parallelogram. So if we were to cut at the height and glue it over here, this would equal a rectangle. So the reason that it's the same formula is because you're really looking at it as kind of the same area, the same size as the rectangle, but just rearranged a little bit. So our formula is going to be the same. So this is our parallelogram. So if we look at this over here, oh goodness, it moved. Over here, our parallelogram, it's tempting to think that our height is this over here, but it's not 90 degrees from the base. 90 degrees from our base is this right here. So, so you've got right here as 90 degrees from the base. So anytime you're looking for your base, it has to be 90 degrees. Now, technically, it could be over here. It could be in the middle. Any of these, and our line is going to be equal in length. So it's always going to be that 7 meters in this shape. So for our formula here, we're going to plug this in. So we would have 7 times 7, which would equal 49 meters squared. Okay, let's try another one. So for this one, our base is 4. Our height is 8. 4 times 8 is 32. And we're on inches squared. Okay, next we have 7 as our base times 3 as our height, because remember our height is going to be from here to here. 21, and it's millimeters squared. Okay, now we have 12 and 6. So 12 times 6 would be 72. I'm running out of room. 72 feet squared. Okay, so for this one, we have 8 kilometers as our base, 5 kilometers as our height, 5 times 8, which is 40 kilometers, and we're squared because it's area. All right, so that is the area of a parallelogram. Thanks, guys.